The inability to control the release of stool in bedridden patients is a problem commonly encountered by colorectal surgeons and care providers across the world. Traditional management of fecal incontinence and diarrhea includes absorbent pads and adult diapers. Though inexpensive, these methods are time-consuming, labor-intensive, and lead to complications and infections. There is, though, a novel way to manage such a problem. This story from New Delhi is about a clinical problem that affects millions of patients globally. Here is how the United States-India Science and Technology Endowment Fund has supported a solution to this critical problem with Contour Medical's Nishit Chasmawala of New Delhi and Matt Durack, founder of Lunar Design at San Francisco. The challenge in managing uncontrolled release of fecal matter originates from the poor seal that the device makes with rectal wall of patient. To begin with, Contour Medical's stool management kit makes sure that this is taken care of effectively. What you are seeing here is at the heart of this innovation. Gradually taking shape is this lattice diverter. The striking technical feature of this stool diverter lies in its ability to constantly remain in step with the movement of the rectal wall muscles, be it at rest or during peristaltic movement. And this is how it achieves diversion of fecal exudate while minimizing leakage. Trademarked as Quora suite of products, it is a self-expanding stool management device with a unique placement, deployment, and withdrawal mechanism. Switching to Quora not only brings down the cost of consumables, but also decreases net overall cost burden of fecal containment. The Quora suite of products are more cost-effective and have been shown to reduce hospital-associated complications like dermatitis, cross-infection, and pressure ulcers commonly associated with traditional fecal management through diapers and absorbent pads. This device applicator minimizes contamination during insertion. It also aids in optimal positioning of stool diverter. The device requires minimal training and can be administered on all patients irrespective of their stool type or sphincter tone. The collection bag is odor-proof and is integrated with a unidirectional valve which prevents accidental soiling. And these are built-in sampling, irrigation and withdrawal ports for easy and accessible clinical care. Commercially available in the US and in India, the Quora platform consists of 3 management solutions to cover the entire spectrum of fecal management needs in adult patients with liquid to semi-formed stool. Quora Arida closed system is for short-term fecal collection for acute use for up to 3 days. Quora Aeon is a long-term fecal management device for critical care and prolonged bedridden patients for use up to 29 days. Quora AIM is an MRI-compatible device for use up to 29 days. This is the world's first FDA 510K approved indwelling fecal drainage device that was commercially launched in India and the US in 2016. The product has been tested in 50 hospitals in India and more than 35 hospitals in the United States. With patents in Australia, Canada, European Union, Israel, Japan and Singapore, the Quora Stool Management Kit aims to become the new standard of care in bowel management the world over.